As well as customizing the background picture for your lock screen, you can also customize the font and the color to make it look just how you want. Here's how it works. So I'm going to pull down to get to my notification view, and then tap and hold to change my lock screen image. I'm going to go for just the regular iOS 16 default wallpaper, and then from here we can start exploring the font. Now the font will only apply to the clock at the top, not your notifications. But that's okay, because the clock is the most obvious thing. So when you tap and hold on the time, you get this new card that comes up, and from here there are 8 different choices of fonts. No, unfortunately you can't use your own custom font for this, you have to use one of the ones that Apple has chosen here, which is a pain. But as we go through we can see there's quite a lot of variety, and they're all designed to be quite legible and easy to read. Below the font choices, we also have the option to change the colour. The very first option, by default, is one that chooses a colour that works well with the background image you've chosen, so one that's easily readable, even if you've got a busy background going on like I have here. But then of course you can scroll sideways and you can choose any colour you like from the options, or you can go right to the end and use the colour picker to get literally any colour you want. You can use the coloured tiles, the sliders, even using the hex values if you want to get that perfect font colour. And this colour will apply to your widgets, so anything in the clock or the widgets above or below will be changed. However, the camera and flashlight icons at the bottom, they don't seem to respect this colour choice, which is a little bit strange, but never mind. We've also got the option in the top left of this card, if you press the globe icon, to change the script you've got your numbers written in. By default they're in Arabic, but you can choose to have any of these options as well should you wish. And the very last thing for now is to talk about the depth effect, where the wallpaper is covering part of the time. This is a style choice that Apple have made for iOS 16, and some people may like it, some may hate it, but you can choose if you want it on or not by pressing the 3 dots in the bottom corner and then toggling the depth effect option. Please note if you have got widgets on your screen, then the depth effect will be off anyway, because it doesn't work with the widgets.